Welcome to this tutorial on implementing state persistence with Vuex and LocalStorage. We begin by importing Vue and Vuex, which are the building blocks for our state management in a VueJS application. We then initialize Vuex by calling VueUse. This line of code allows us to integrate Vuex within our Vue application, which enables us to create a centralized store for all of our components. Now, let's dive into the magic of state persistence. We create a plugin, Vuex LocalStorage, which takes our Vuex store as an argument. The plugin first tries to retrieve any persisted state from the browser's local storage under the key Vuex. If such a state exists, we parse it and replace the store's current state with this persisted state. Next, we use the subscribe method to save our state to local storage every time a mutation occurs. This ensures that our application state is automatically updated in local storage following any change. Moving forward, we define our Vuex store. Here we pass our Vuex LocalStorage plugin into the plugins array of our store configuration. Below that, you'll want to define the state, an object that holds all of the data that should be shared across the application. The mutations are functions that affect the state and are the only way to actually change the state in Vuex. Finally, we export the store as a default export of the module. This makes it available for import in other parts of our application. As a result, our Vue app can now maintain its state between page reloads, providing a seamless user experience.